Stocks for beginners. Basically, it become very difficult for a beginner to find stocks either for trading or for investing. After watching my video, it won't be difficult to find stocks for trading or investing. Being a beginner, we must focus on some specific stocks, that is of Nifty 50 and Sensex. Nifty 50 is basically the weighted average of 50 companies listed on National Stock Exchange. Some companies of Nifty 50s are Reliance Industries, TCS, HDFC Bank, SBI, and many more. For a beginner, it will be very beneficial to invest in these companies because these are fundamentally very strong companies, and for trading also it will be very good because in the stock there is daily a momentum. On the other hand, Sensex comprises of 30 of the largest and most actively traded stock on Bombay Stock Exchange. And the stocks are fundamentally very strong and are also good for trading purposes. Thank you for watching my video, and do subscribe my channels and share with your friends.